Shugor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Kidon palat arpuhnyo hajar arspa prapuhnyo ngut ki belajar Rngai naka electoral roll ha East Khasa Hills District. But ki Kham buon ki day ki constituency na Shillong ha kajing penbet renti. Dakatanat Election Commission kari India ka bakhot Special Intensive Revision. Kani kajing pau ki babuon ki baja naka electoral roll. Kadai ha kajing pelat pat ba ka office Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasa Hills District. Bentak sngi ha kajing lang ka belalong ha katehi ka office. Kenang begitu ki baja ki bom Treh soi kerteng ya ki form ki laban ajing tho syaka office Deputy Commissioner. Kini ki baja ki day namar kimdon ya ki kerteng kemi kerteng kpa kimdon syu hayang bagi jusa ki babun ki day na penthor umkra ki don lai hajar sau spa hanya pu Ngut East Shillong hajar khandai spa handru phulai Ngut North Shillong hajar khandai spa pra phulai Ngut West Shillong lai hajar lai spa arpu sau Ngut South Shillong lai hajar khandai spa khandai phui Ngut Nong Thamai lai hajar hanyo spa hanyo pu handru Ngut Bat maulai ki don hajar handru spa hanyo phulai Ngut Katba hajar handru spa khandai pu hanyo Ngut ki day ki bom Treh soi kerteng syu ya ka form ki bom kwa syu ban pendap ya ka form bat Kham bun day ki ba ulok ulaphet kalok bat ki khun kim Treh soi syu ban ai jing pen shisha.
Qualifying date of SIR is the 1st October 2026, which means any elector, applicant or voter turns 18 as on the 1st of October 2026 are eligible to apply for enrollment during this current special intensive revision. Let's have a look at the next phase of activities. Since these enumeration phases were only completed. So today we'll be having the publication of draft rules, and the period of filing claims objections will be from today up to the 4th of September. Then the notice phase and the proposal of claims objections, which also simultaneously being carried out, but the disposal of claims objections will carry on up to the 3rd October 2026. Then we have the final publication of electorals on the 7th of October 2026. The SIR House Drafts enumeration. These are few of the pictorial representations that we are presenting to you. We have already completed this exercise. BLOs have done tremendous job to get all the enumeration forms collected and digitized, and at present we had 100% complete digitizations of the enumeration forms. Now coming to the rationalization of polling stations, which is one of the aspect of the special intensive revision. If you look at the screen here, we have the number of PS pre-rationalization. That means before the rationalization exercise. So this is the number of polling stations under DC Shillong, which is 898, and under the subdivision, which is the Sora civil subdivision, we have 123, which is total polling stations is 1021. 1030 polling stations for the entire district, whereas under DC Shillong, we will have only 907 polling stations. So there is an increase of 9 polling stations during this current special intensive revision. So how many PS we have created? We have created, under North Shillong, we have created 1 PS extra. Of course, we have reorganized, and that polling stations is the Governor House, Pynthymmai Hotel combined together, and they will be voting on Independence Club, which is the polling stations. Viva Road, they have a dedicated polling station now, under 17 North Shillong. Viva Road will vote in State Convention Center, and the Bishop Cotton Road will vote in the Garo Union Secondary Schools. Then under 18 West, we do not have any PS creation, but we just have just a relocation of the PS building, which is Tarak Bhavan, not Tarak Bhavan, sorry, what was the name? Meghalaya Hindu Mission. So these are uncollectible enumeration forms, which means that out of these uncollectible enumeration forms, there are some electors have expired. There are some electors who are untraceable. Due to various reasons, probably they may not be staying anymore in that place where the VNOs are noted, polling stations, and the VNOs could not find these electors. And in most of these cases, we have problems in the Shillong-based constituencies. Permanently shifted. Others, which mean there are some electors who do not even want to fill the enumeration form. That means they refuse to send the enumeration form for various personal reasons. So this is one of the issue that we face. Then there are some electors who are enrolled in 2-3 places, Now they have indicated that they want to remain in a single place.
And we as a party also have met the Chief Election Officer, CEO, for many times, given him memorandums regarding the issues regarding the SIR, especially about the local authorities. But when this SIR is being taken place in the state, being implemented, and we found that everything is fine, everything's okay, and nothing wrong, no issues being involved in the implementation of the SIR. And I would also appreciate very much regarding the meeting for inviting us every now and then weekly meetings, review meetings we have every week, and which the sir and also especially Baroni, which as a party we meet with our district committee, we meet mostly with Baroni, and we have had a very good time and very educative time with the officers, and especially the thing which I want to express here is because they take us, the political parties, into confidence. Whatever issues involved, whatever anything comes out in any constituencies, in any areas, okay?
So we would also like to thank our BLOs who are in the field, passing sleepless nights, coming time and again over our houses. Although they were supposed to come 73 times, but then they came more than that. Some of the BLOs in my constituency, they came even at 11 p.m. at night. So our sincere gratitude on behalf of our party to all the entire election team. Thank you.
The implementation of SIR, the Office of the Deputy Commissioner of this Council has called us for a meeting. We have a lot of apprehension initially about this, and particularly when the Election Commission did not recognize the Rngai. Some of our political parties have written to the Chief Electoral Officer about this. But when it comes to the implementation of SIR, we found that it was done in accordance with the Rngai. All the information is given to the Rngai. And the Rngai, especially in the urban area, they have announced it through the PS system in every locality.
Appreciate wholeheartedly the brilliant efforts put in, especially by the BLOs, the BLO supervisors, the AEROs and EROs, because completing this exercise for the entire district in 1 month was always a very tall exercise. But not only they have completed the exercise, but they have done it in a manner which is as diligent as possible. And simultaneously they have went about the exercise while simultaneously facilitating the electors. The role of BLOs was not to fill the forms. Their role was to distribute the forms and to collect the forms. But then they have went beyond their call of duty. To every household they went, whenever the electors requested for any help in forms, by way of filling the forms, by way of guiding them, they have spent considerable amount of time to handhold each elector so that to ensure that all the apprehensions regarding SIR, all the fear, all the rumor mongering that went around for the SIR, they were handled, and the exercise was completed in at least the distribution, collection, filling of the forms was completed in a successful, diligent, and in a manner that inspired confidence amongst the public as well. I also take this opportunity to thank all the political parties for their relentless cooperation in this entire exercise. The entire exercise went on smoothly, bearing this very small hiccup, and that too with the cooperation of political parties and with the understanding we were able to resolve swiftly. So thank you for that. Thank you for, as I understand, in many of the areas, the BLAs played a very vital role in helping the electors, in helping the BLOs. So thank you again. SIR, I mean, this milestone would not have been reached the way it has, with flying colors the way it has been without your cooperation. So thank you for that. And our Assistant Systems Engineer has already given the detailed presentation wherein what are going to be the next stages of this entire mammoth exercises that has been explained. If there is any doubt, all the EROs, AEROs, the entire election machinery of East Khasi Hills is there to clear the doubts which are there with the electors, with the political parties, and we would really appreciate if instead of keeping the doubts to yourself, if you come forward, if you ask these doubts, so that it can help everyone. So again, thank you to everyone for this cooperation, and we expect the
Considerable absent aku berjumpa kalau ba KBL ko liwat ni breu ke mlapshu. Nek baru ke mlapshu. Game ke sendo ke mlapshu kita kadang bakini kijak. Bakini kita kisi ba. Ni kisi ko ba. Mas kadang ba ting kalok blok lopet kalok kontresi bansan. Ting ton ki ba ong ba da jong mo kintre bansan ni ko kita taruh. Ni tiba sikit masuk benua, tolong demi show. Pandai kita pada film, pandai kita. Kalau ada players kita coba lah, kita away confusion, away fun. Balak jak nak kena, tak isinya kena punya.
Bayam ni ke bayam Kiba yap mau dia kita pun kita baik
mulai terus sebelum melapsu melapsu kerja gue
Barok ki breu ki khmi ya kalawai babha ki wat ya kajaka bansan kajaka ban kiyo shaprang.
MIT University Meghalaya man kasni kalong ke jing sedang Pynthymmai ki jing ikai bapura kat kom kejuk ke bamtang. Ke MIT University kadan bonjait ki course pat ki jing ikai kum ka fashion design, filmmaking, communication design, music, BBA, MBA, sports management, nursing, BTech, computer science, BSW, MSW, but QA.
Ha MIT University Meghalaya ki jingtrang jongpi shaka job ki urlong, but ki kalalong ka shisha.
MIT University Meghalaya kajingya lenti kabastang syakalaway bacok.